Good morning, guys. In this video I'll show you how to complete the latest PAWS task. Okay, just go to your Telegram. This is my Telegram. So okay, also enter your Telegram. Go to the PAWS. Okay, this is it. This is the task. So click on start. Use any browser of your choice, the one you're using. So I'm using Chrome. So click on Chrome. Okay, and you click on this add to home screen. Okay, got it. When you click on it, it will show you a guide. It will tell you this is the guide there. So I've already know it, so I'll just click on these three dots here. So I'll click on the three dots there. So click on the three dots and add to home screen. This is it. Add. So add. Okay. And what they want you is that they want you to log in. You log in so you have added it to the home screen. Then they want you to log in through it. So go back and look for it. Okay, this is it. It's already, it will be added on your home screen. So you click on it. I think that's all. Then you go back to your PAWS task. So refresh. Got that. Okay, claim. Okay guys, that's it. And for this second task, I don't think you'll be able to complete anything. You'll be able to perform any task. Recently, PAWS S account was banned, so I think they are trying to contact X for them to unban the account. So once they unban PAWS account, this limited tax here, they will remove it. PAWS can just dash 1 million PAWS just like that. Maybe. So guys, that's it. Thank you very much for watching this video.